Good afternoon, MarineMax friends and family. Today we are taking a look at a Tahoe 2150. I'm going to take you around the interior of this boat and show you all the great features that it has to offer. Come along. Back here at the aft section of this Tahoe, as you can see, this boat is powered by a Mercury 150 outboard. It's going to be great for getting up in those shallow areas while you're fishing. As you can see, this also does have a ski tow bar that seconds as a brush guard if you're going to be up in some tight areas while you're chasing those fish. So here on your port side, you have a great wraparound seating area. As you can see, you have a very large bimini top here, going to give you plenty of coverage here in the cockpit area of the boat. Also up here on your port side in your middle section, you're going to have a wet bar / cleaning station. It's also going to have some storage in there that you can keep your additional tackle while you're out on the water. Up here at the helm, as you can see, you're going to have your captain's chair with thigh bolster. You're also going to have a Lowrance fish finder to help you locate those fish. And you're also going to have your analog gauges along with some additional switches up there as well. Making our way up to the bow, up here it's going to be very roomy, and you're also going to have a casting platform with your trolling motor up there. Great area, and you're going to have plenty of seats for all your friends and family. So if you like this Tahoe or any other boat you see in our online inventory, feel free to contact Grand Lake MarineMax today. Thanks.